Well, this three-day special session of the parliament that was called now, as far as the proceedings are concerned, the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha have now been adjourned. And this is coming after the Modi government's bill on women's reservation that failed to pass the parliament test last evening. Now, the government that could not muster the numbers, the country pictures that are now coming in from Sikkim, where protests are spearheaded by women leaders who have come out on the streets there, and these pictures are being shared by Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju himself, who has now called this to be a massive backing, targeting the opposition on women's bill and the betrayal, as the BJP calls. The BJP has now stepped up its attack on the opposition, and similar pictures that have been coming in from other parts of the country as well, where there are BJP and the allies, as far as the NDA is concerned, that have been raising their voices against the opposition's move in parliament. Let's listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी और विपक्षियों को भारत के महिलाओं का गुस्सा झेलना पड़ेगा। मैंने तो कल ही बता दिया, इतना ऐतिहासिक और महत्वपूर्ण बिल, महिलाओं को पार्लियामेंट और असेंबली में जगह देना, इसमें क्या आपत्ति हो सकते थे। बहाना मार करके इतना महत्वपूर्ण बिल को गिराया, ये तो मैं मानता हूं कि देश के लिए भी एक काला दिवस रहा है, और ये काला दाग कांग्रेस और उनके सारे साथी हैं उन पर लग गया है, जो मिटा नहीं पाएगा।
To actually use delimitation as an excuse is appalling. Delimitation was merely the road. It was the implementation of the women reservation, which was the destination. Perhaps Priyanka ji confused the road and the destination. The Congress party and the opposition was only making excuses. They have betrayed the women of India by not allowing the implementation of the Nari Shakti Vandan Adhiniyam. देश की मातृशक्ति के आक्रोश का पात्र बनी है कांग्रेस पार्टी और पूरा का पूरा इंडिया अलायंस का घटक दल। अब हम जन जन के पास इनकी ये धोखाधड़ी की गाथा लेकर जाएंगे।
Well, pictures that have been coming in of what Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has shared on his handle, where he calls as it a strong warning to be against the Congress party as far as this massive support that has been building for women's reservation in parliament and assemblies. And this is now coming in from Sikkim, as the minister himself has been sharing these pictures. Similar pictures that have also come in from Delhi, where Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta has been spearheading the protest there, and from other parts of the country as well, where the BJP is now planning these massive street protests against the opposition. However, it now becomes difficult for the opposition as far as when it comes to the explanation that is now coming in from their side, as it is being said that by multiple MPs that they are not against women's reservation. However, they want the women's reservation to be implemented on what it was passed back in 2023 in its existing form. There you can see the pictures there, and the Congress briefing that is now expected any minute now. You can see Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in the frame already, alongside other leaders of the Congress party. And as far as the Congress party is also concerned, they will be sharing their point of view on what they have to say on the current scenario, where they are now projecting that